My name is Vishnu Gopal TV. I am a legal intern at Lexis and Company. I am from Cooperative School of Law, Kerala. I am a third year student pursuing BBA LLB on. So, today's topic for this video is Article 23 and Article 24 of the Indian Constitution. And the purpose of this video is to analyze about these two articles, that is Article 23 and Article 24 of the Indian Constitution. So, Article 23 of the Indian Constitution deals with the right against exploitation, and Article 24 of our Indian Constitution mentions about the prohibition of employment of children. So, here we will look into this Article 23 and Article 24 of the Indian Constitution, and we will analyze some of the important case laws which comes under that. So, Article 23 of the Indian Constitution prohibits traffic in human beings and bigger free service, that is bigger means free service, and other forms of forced labor. So here clause 2 however imposes state to permit this compulsory service for public purposes, provided that it should be made without any discrimination on the ground of religion, race, caste or class. And here there is a need to analyze some of the important case which comes under this article, that is Article 23. So one of the important and relevant case that has to be discussed under this Article 23 is Dina versus Union of India. That is a case in 1993. And here the Supreme Court clearly held that prisoners are entitled to the payment of reasonable wages for the work that is taken from them. And here the court is under a duty to enforce their claim. So another important case which comes under this Article 23 is Kahasan Tankul versus Simili Shaili. And here the court held that, or court had abolished a custom that each householder of the village should offer 1 day of free labor to the village headman. So the court in this case concluded that the said custom is violative of Article 23 Clause 1 of the Indian Constitution. Another case that has to be looked into under Article 23 is Dubar-Gola versus Union of India, which is another famous case. And here the validity of an agreement by which the porters of Howrah railway station voluntarily agreed to do 2 hours of extra work for the railway administration. So here the court in this case clearly held that it is not at all violative of Article 23 Clause 1 of the Indian Constitution. So the reason for this is that they have voluntarily agreed to do this work which destroyed the element of forced labor. So these are about this Article 23. So we have discussed some of the case laws, that is Dina versus Union of India, as well as Kahasan Tankul versus Simri Shaili, and also Dubar-Gola versus Union of India. So now we can analyze Article 24 of the Indian Constitution. So Article 24 of the Indian Constitution prohibits employment of children below the age of 14 years in factories and hazardous employment sites. So here there is a need to analyze some of the important cases which comes under this article to know about this article in a more wider manner. So in one of the important cases, that is People's Union versus People's Union for Democratic Rights versus Union of India, and here the court included construction work also in the list of hazardous employment, even though it is not specified in the Children's Act. So here the court also advised the state government to take necessary and immediate step for the inclusion of this construction work in the respective schedule. So another relevant case that has to be discussed here is MC Mehta versus State of Tamil Nadu, which is a case in 1996. Here the Supreme Court held that children below 14 years of age cannot be employed in hazardous and dangerous sites, and lays down guidelines for the protection of the social, economic and humanitarian rights of children. And these are all about Article 24 of the Indian Constitution. We have discussed about Article 24 and 2 case laws, that is People Union for Democratic Rights versus Union of India, as well as MC Mehta versus State of Tamil Nadu. So we have discussed 2 articles, Article 23 and Article 24. So we have analyzed Article 23 of the Indian Constitution. We have gone through its importance and some relevant case laws, as well as Article 24 and its relevance and some case laws. So that's all about the topic. So you can like, subscribe and comment on my video, and do like and subscribe our YouTube channel Let's Click. Please give me a feedback regarding this video, and if you have any questions related to this video, you may please comment that question in the comment box. I will be replying as soon as possible, and this video does not solicit any types of promotion or advertisement as per the guidelines of Council of India, and the sole purpose of this video is for education purposes only. So by saying these words, I am concluding. Thank you.